Okay, second game. 69ers versus Kanto Terrors. Okay, start na natin ang game, second game. Second game. '69ers versus Kanto Terrors. Hey, second game, start of the ball game. Jumbo. First ball possession, wide. Atake kagad ang 13, nag-fumble, loses the ball. Turnover. Nag-fumble kagad yan. Okay, baba na bola, jersey number 1, switch back sa 9. Siya nakita sa low post yun. Nice pass. Down low. First blood sa game na to. Pass to Hortaleza. On the left wing. Sharif. Inward pass. Fade away shot. No basket. Scrambling for the ball. Nakakuha ng 8 yan. Pass to jersey number 9. Switch back sa 8. Ooh. Chensa, cross-court pa sa 1. Nakita na naman sa low post. Naku po, nating but glass. Defensive rebound 7. Crossover si Sharif. All the way to the hoop. Reverse. No basket. And jersey number 8 controls the board. Pass to Orbera. Scouting the floor. The play pass to drop pass. Shot clock winding down. Short. Aim for 2. Atienza. Pull up. On the 3-point area. No basket. And it's jersey number 19. Controls the board para sa White. Pass to jersey number 13. Binigay ulit sa big man. Turn around shot. No basket. Sharif drop. Engaging. Ng 23. At tari ngayon. At pull up. Connects 2 points. It's 4-2. Yep. Basket count. Tama ba yung score natin? Five, 4 in favor of White. Sabi na yan. Jersey number 13 to jersey number 7. Pull up. No basket. And last touch pa block. Nakita tayo sa low post yun. Basket yan. Tama yung score mo. Aim for 3. In and out. Nakita sa low post yun. 8 at Chensa connects 2 points. Nice pass. Hoy, tama ba yung score nyo? Pull up, no basket. Offensive rebound yan. Big and pop and foul. One-point lead para sa White. Sharif on the free throw area. Free throw line. First throw, no basket. Second throw. One out of 2. One ball possession advantage para sa 69ers. Banang bola, jersey number 9. Orbeta, switch Orbeta to Atienza, aim for 3. Off the ring. Tinapik ang bola. Scrambling for the ball. Nakakuha ng 48 yan. Para sa block. Penetrate. Orbeta, pull up. Shoot. Defensive rebound. 19. Cross-court pass to Sharif. Side step layup. No basket. Orbeta controls the board. Inward pass. Low post. Switch back. Interception. A bad pass. Atake ang 7. Katake sa baseline. And same ball possession. Denied. Ang atake niya. Atake 19. Reverse layup, no basket. Offensive rebound yon. Another attempt, no basket. Another attempt. Basket count, 2 points. 10-6. 2 ball possession advantage para sa White. Scattered shot lock down to 12. Low corner. Right, connects 3 points sa Atienza. Nakita si Big Man. Penetrate, engaging, and offensive foul. An extended elbow. Substitution, mandatory. 1-point ball game para sa White. Second stringer nila para sa block. Pass to Rabino. Game for 3 on the right. No basket on the right wing. And outbound. Atake ang White. The right wing, inward pass. Nakita sa low post. No basket, offensive rebound. Basket na yan. A putback ng 8. On the left wing, atake ngayon. 88. Atake yung 15. Teardrop. Basket off the glass. 11. 12. Basket, 2 points. Tama ba score nyo? Tignan nyo yung score nyo. Steal. Pass break sa 8 yan. Layup. No basket. Defensive rebound. 24. Pass break yan sa 1. Penetrate, engaging all the way, layup, basket. 14-13. Kaki Hortaleza para sa White. Penetrate, a pull up, mid-range J, no basket. Defensive rebound, 1. Dino, pass to jersey number 15, 2-on-2 situation. Drop pass lang yan sa 18. No basket. Defensive rebound, 5. Pass to Hortaleza. Nakita sa low post. Nakita ang dos. Steal. A bad pass. Breakaway kaagad ng 88 ron. No basket. Offensive rebound. Follow-up shot. A putback ng 15. And Black grabs the lead. Change favor. One-point lead. Black. Lavera in for 3. Short. Defensive rebound. 24. Atake doble 8. Naipit. Atake 1. No basket. Offensive rebound pa rin niya. Another attempt sa ilalim. Basket. 17-14. 3-point lead. Atake na yan. 5. Area. Switch back down. Perimeter. Basket. Jersey number 13. Time out. Black. Hey, back to the ball game. Okay, didiskarte ngayon ang Black. 1 point lead, Black. On the left wing, aim for 3. Off the ring, defensive rebound yan. Para sa White. Hinaharas ka agad. Andos, nakapenetrate. Teardrop and draws a foul. Wala ang first draw, second draw. One out of two. Deadlock ang score. First deadlock, 17-all. Less than 2 minutes, a minute and 40 in this first period. Reach back sa 24. Penetrate. Teardrop. Shoot. Defensive rebound. 24. Pass break yung breakaway ang 8. Yep, natapitan. Shot clock down to 20. Shot clock down to 20 seconds. Al 24. There, penetrate, engaging, and foul. Foul sa baba, blocking. Blocking foul. Warning for penalty na ang block. Shot clock reset to 14. As to Hortaleza. Switch back yan. Switch back yan. Switch back to Hortaleza. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points off the glass. And White breaks the tie. 3-point lead, White. As to Regio. Aim for 3. Nothing but glass. Scrambling for the ball. Nasa 88 yan, naipit. Aim for 3 again. Airball. And jersey number 24 controls the ball pass. Jersey number 2. Side step. Drop pass lang yan sa Singo. No basket. Offensive rebound, Dos. Wala pa rin yan. Scrambling for the ball. Nakakuha ng 1. Back out down. Bakit? Drop pass. Shot lock down to 14. Layup. Basket by jersey number 15. Dying seconds. Shot lock off. 10 seconds. Shot lock. Bouncing down. Penetrate. Hortaleza. Pull up. No basket. Dying seconds. And of the first period. Game. Second period. Block. Block, block, block. Block. Block.
Dapat di mo sinabi din, pwede namin yun eh.
Next out of possession, White. Beta pass to Atienza. Aim for 3. Short. Last touch 48 ron. Tinapik ang bola. Discard ang White. Aim for 3. Short. Offensive rebound pa yan. Pasa ulit sa 5 yan. Nakita sa Lopos yung big man. No basket. Scambling for the ball. Nakuha pa rin yan ng block. Pass breakaway yung 88 yan. Layup. Easy 2 points. And block grabs the lead. Change favor. 1 point lead block. Take yan 7. Inward pass sa Lopos. Reverse layup off the glass. Connects 2 points. At even score. 22-21. Kenza. As to jersey number 88. To Atienza. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Outbound. Turnover. Pensa na ang 7 ron. All the way. And draw sa foul sa baba. Doble 8. Doble 8 yung may foul. Sideline throw in para sa White. Claveria receiving the ball. Shot lock 10. Inward pass sa big man. Penetrate. And foul. Foul. Holding foul. Shot lock, reset to 14. Inward pass, na hinaharas ang big man. At to Sharif. Under IQ shot, ang perimeter shot. Nakuha ni Claveria. Shot lock 10. Penetrate Claveria. And no basket. Offensive rebound. A putback. Basket. 24-21. 3-point lead White. Take Atienza. To Atienza. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Nakakuha pa rin box out ng block. Shot lock down to 10. On the left wing. Aim for 3. Short again. T-drop. Short again. Airball and jersey number 7. Atake ng agad Sharif. Umako po nagpatambol. Bumake. No basket. Defensive rebound. Kenza. Nakita agad doble 8 ron. Mid-range chase basket. 23-24. 1 point ball game para sa White. Claveria is scouting the floor. Setting up the play for White. Pass to big man. Still a bad pass. Binigay ulit sa doble 8 yan. Layup. No basket. Claveria. Pasa na yung sa 7. Sharif. No basket. Offensive rebound. Follow up shot. A put back ng big man. Power move under the goal. Shot lock down to 14. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. 26-all. Second deadlock. Sharif penetrate all the way and throws a foul. Jersey number 9. Third personal foul. Short ang unang tira. Second throw. Walang conversion yun. Offensive rebound pa rin yan. Nabawi ang dos. 28. Mandatory substitution. the ball game. The left wing aim for 3 of the ring. Nakakuha pa yan ng White. Ang box out doon. Atake na yan, Dos, all the way to the hoop. The next 2 points. It's 2-0 run. Well, loose ball. Outbound. Turnover. Nanghaharas yun. Nakita ng big man doon sa baseline. Turn around shot and throws a foul. 24 may foul. Wala ang first throw. Second throw. Walang conversion sa free throw. Box out yan. Ng White pa rin. Hinaras. Almost a steal. Shot lock. Winding down. Pull up. Shoot. Ake ang uno. Pass si jersey number 15. Atake ngayon. Tata aim for 3. Shoot. Box out ng 15 ron. Shot lock reset to 14. Aim for 3 on top of the key. No basket. Atake ang Dos. All the way to the hoop, teardrop, in and out, defensive rebound, 24. As jersey number 1. There you aim for 3, nothing but glass. Okay, 24, nakita ang big man, atake sa baseline, naharas. Sa side, no basket. Nakuha pa rin ng 13 ang kick out. Pass to jersey number 24. Fortaleza. Switch back sa Dos. Shot clock winding down and foul basket. Foul basket and 1. And 1. Dito mamaya automatic yan sa block. Okay, jersey number 15. Jersey number 24 on the left wing. Nakita sa low post yun. Oh, loses the ball. A loose ball outbound. Scotty si Hortaleza setting up the play for White. On the right wing, switch back to Hortaleza. With jersey number 2 on the left wing. Pasa sa big man na, shot lock, winding down. Inward pass, catch and shoot. Shoot! Defensive rebound, Uno. Kaki ang Uno. All the way to the hoop and throws a foul. Holding foul, jersey number 13. Basket, first throw. Second throw. One out of 2. 32-27. Black down by 5 points. Nakakuha ng back out ng Black. Pass to jersey number 1. All the way to the hoop and no basket. Jump ball. White ball. Next arrow possession. Jump ball. Next arrow possession. Alternating arrow. Black. Next arrow possession. Less than 3 minutes remaining time in this first up. Aim for 3. Off the ring, defensive rebound, 1. On the left wing, atake, nakita ang Kijiro, nakita sa low post yung baan, lalim. Teardrop, no basket again. Offensive rebound, another. No, wala pa rin. Another offensive rebound. Kick out, penetrate, sidestep, basket na yan. By jersey number 9. Orbera. Less than 2 minutes. 1 minute and 35. On the left wing, nakita sa low post yung big man. Nalalim nun. Another open, no, basket dyan. Atake ang 9. Beta, hinaharas. Oh, and draws a foul from jersey number 2. Basket, first throw. Second throw. One out of 2. Back out para sa White. Shot clock down to 14. Fortaleza aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound yan. Beta. Pake ang unop. Engaging. And connects 2 points. Deadlock score. 32-all. Less than a minute. 45 seconds in this first up. Shot clock 14. Fortaleza pull up. Mid-range J, no basket. Offensive rebound. Drop pass lang sa 19. Connects 2 points. And White breaks the tie. 34-32. 2-point lead. Para sa White. At tayo, Beta. Hinaharas, pass ni jersey number 18 na ipit. Steal. By Fortaleza, 3-1. Basket, dying seconds. Shot lang off. 8 seconds. On the left wing, aim for 3, short. Another aim for 3, air ball. And of the first up. To the ball game, second half, third period. Chase goal na tayo. Block. Chase goal. Block na nga ang possession. Next arrow possession, white, alternating arrow. Skate ang block. Black down by 4 points. Mataking agad yun, no basket, offensive rebound. Kensa denied ang follow-up shot. Scrambling for the ball, nakakuha pa rin yan ni Hortaleza. Pass to Claveria, atake sa baseline, turn around shot. Shoot! Offensive rebound, naipit. Hit-out yan kay Hortaleza ang pasa. Atake Claveria. Mid-range shade, basket. 38-32. 6-point lead wide. On the right wing. Switch back yan sa 24. Penetrate. Binigay ulit yan. Atake sa baseline. And foul off the glass. Basket count. And one play. Bonus shot. Basket completed. 3-point play para sa block. Almost a steal. Area. Paso Hortaleza. Shot lock down to 10. Naipit si Hortaleza. Inward pass to Claveria. Penetrate. Takes and pop. No basket. Defensive rebound at Chensa. Atake 24. Penetrate, teardrop, no basket. Ako pa yan, shot lock. Down to 14, layup, shot again. Loose ball, outbound. Turnover. Turnover yan para sa White. Sharif receiving the ball. Scouting the floor, setting up the play. Engage. And draws a foul. 24. Second personal foul. Jersey number 24. As the Claveria. Switch back to Hortaleza. Hortaleza. Binili kay Claveria. Penetrate. Teardrop. Off the ring. Floater. Offensive rebound pa rin yan. 5. Astor Hortaleza, aim for 3. Nothing but glass. Naharas na yun yung si Atienza ron sa backcourt. Foul! Okay si Atienza. Switch lang sa 24. Aim for 3. Shoot. Nakatapit ang bola. Nakakuha ang Sharif. All the way. No basket. Atake 88. Nagpapambol pa yun. Penetrate. 23. No basket. Tinapik ang bola. Nakakuha ni Atienza. Aim for 3. Shoot. Putback. Wala pa rin yun. Follow-up shot. Jump ball. White. Next arrow possession. Black. Alternating arrow. Hortaleza receiving the ball. Also White. Scouting the floor. Pass to Claveria. Aim for 3. Nothing but glass. Shot lock 10. Atake agad yun. Basket. 40-35. Black down by 5 points. Atake Atienza on the left wing. On the right wing. Doble 8. Nakita yung 23 doon. On the side. Basket. Atake si Claveria. Hinaharas ka agad. Complete steal. All the way ang 88, no basket. Atake Sharif. Yeah, and foul. 48 yung i-foul. Mandatory substitution. Basket, first throw. Basket again, 2 for 2. Yung thrower, sasabad yung thrower. (42-37). Thank you. Paano bola? Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound niya ng big man. Bakit? Kasi takpo nakita yung big man doon. Almost a steal attack. No basket. Offensive rebound ng big man. And foul. 15. 15. Jersey number 15, fourth personal foul. Warning for foul out. Perimeter shot, basket. Seven-point lead. Aturejo. Aim for 3, shoot. Defensive rebound, Betidos. Pass sa big man nila. Low basket. Ese rebound yung 8. Shot lock. Down to 5. Perimeter. Off the ring. Defensive rebound, Recho. All the way. Number 2, scouting the floor. Lanje. Naras ni Rejo. Shot lock 14. Take 8. Teardrop. Basket. Scoop shot. Rabino. Setting up the play for Black. Rejo aim for 3 off the ring. Nakakabali Orbeta yan. Aim for 3 again. In and out. Offensive rebound, 1. Shot lock down to 10. Orbeta nakita catch and shoot basket. 39-46. Shot lock down to 12. Perimeter. In and out. Defensive rebound yan. Pass break yan ka Rejo. Steal. Nandos. Teardrop. Basket. 48-39. 9-point lead. White. Nakita ko dyan tayo atake sa baseline. And foul. Jersey number 2. Less than 2 minutes. Sa ating third period. Offensive rebound pa rin 88 yan. No basket. Saki ang big man. Foul. jersey number 15. 5 personal foul. Fouls out. Timeout. Clock. Hey, back to the ball game. White. Inward pass, catch and shoot. No basket. Defensive rebound ang uno yan. Dino, didiskarte. Foul. Jersey number 13. Both teams warning for penalty. Penetrate. Nakita siya sa baseline. To Rabino. Penetrate. Rabino. Teardrop. No basket. Kinapit ang bola. Box out yan para sa White. Ipit na. 3 and 3. No basket. Denied. Nakita sa Lopez yung loses the ball. Outbound. Less than a minute, 35 seconds remaining time. Turnaround shot, no basket. Kinapik ang bola na ako ng uno. Dying second, shot clock off. 15 seconds. Aim for 3. Short. Defensive rebound, follow-up shot. Basket ng una, push back. Dying seconds. Pull up. And of the third period. Last 10 minutes. Last and final quarter. Block. Next arrow possession, White. Last 10 minutes. Atensya, didiskarte. Cross-court pass on the right wing of the ring. Tapit ang bola, nakakuha lang si Sharif. Pass break lang yan. Catch and shoot, wala. Denied. Orbeta yan. Jersey number 1. Una ko po, walang pinasahan. Almost a steal. Kita Atienza, aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound niya para sa White. Pass to Sharif. Penetrate. Layup. Basket off the glass. Noriega. Basket by Noriega. 2 points. Seven-point lead. White. Shot lock. Down to 15. Shot lock. Down to 10. Pull up. Basket by jersey number 24. So, Atienza. Block sa uno. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Sharif, defensive rebound. Pass to jersey number 24. Binati Sharif. Binomba pa. And draws a foul. From jersey number 9. Fourth personal foul. Jersey number 9. Warning for foul out. Basket first throw. Basket 2 for 2. Score. Aim for 3. Short. Pass break yan sa single. Layup. Short. Hortaleza to Sharif. Naku po, bad pass. Nakakuha ng uno yan. Steal by Hortaleza. Pass to Sharif. Shot lock. Winding down. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound niya para sa White. Aim for 3. Tayo Orbeta. Pasa lang yan sa low post. Basket. Sharif. Scouting the floor, setting up the play. Kanyang 24. Lesa. Tinira na kagad off the glass. Connects 2 points. Time out. Block. Back to the ball game. So Atienza. Shot lock down to 10. Inward pass, catch and shoot. No basket. Kinapit ang bola, nakakuha ni Sharif. Penetrate. Naka-open yun. Reverse layup. On the right wing. Jack Lacton. Bino and for 3 off the ring. Offensive rebound. Fadeaway shot. Basket. To Aresa. Shot lock down to 14. Iwan pa sa big man and traveling violation. Substitution. Chensa aim for 3. Off the ring, defensive rebound, Sharif. Coast to coast, Sharif, layup, basket. Naharas ngayon, yung W8, iniwan ng Orbeta, no basket. Another attempt, no basket again. Backs out na yan para sa White. Naharas si Sharif. Layup and foul. 48. And 1. And 1. Bonus shot. Wala ang bonus shot pero wala nag-box out. Binigay sa big man. 4-point play kagad yan para sa White. 67-47. Less than 5 minutes in this final quarter. Shot locked in. Aim for 3. Shoot. Atake ng dos, layup, basket. Shot locked in. Foul. 63. Timeout to White. Day, shot lock! Aim for 3, shoot! Pass break na yan. 2-on-2, layup. No basket, putbok, wala pa rin. Sayang yung follow-up shot. Bounce and shoot, Sharif, wala. Defensive rebound at Chensa. Pass break niya sa W8, nagpambol, steal. Dinalik sa 8 yan, basket. Less than 4 minutes. Rieda, iniwan sa W8. Shot lock, 10. Foul. Jersey number 2. Substitution. Aim for 3. Off the ring. And Sharif controls the board. Three minutes in this final quarter. Shot clock winding down. No basket. Pass break intercepted by Sharif. Layup, no basket. Defensive rebound. Breakaway kaagad ang 88 ron. Easy 2 points. Nakita yung big man sa low post. Wala. Scrambling for the ball. Nakakuha pa ng 24 yan. Binigay ulit sa 88. 2-and-1 situation. Loose ball. Outbound. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. And dos, pasa, layup, teardrop, basket. Chensa, aim for 3. In and out. Offensive rebound, follow-up shot, wala pa rin. Defensive rebound na yan ang White. Gusto. No basket. Nakita ang libre yun. Naku po, ang lalim. Shot clock 10. A minute to go. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Defensive rebound. Less than a minute. Teardrop basket. Time out. White. White. Limiter, no basket. Chensa controls the board. Pass break na yan. 23. Basket, 2 points. Mga said steal by jersey number 24. Layup, basket. Magic seconds. 3 points. Points. Dying seconds. Shot lako. End of the ball game.